Let's play Animal Trivia! Prepare a piece of paper and write down your answer. Check your answer at the end of this video. You may pause the video for you to have more time to think. Number 1. You can see this animal in Africa and Asia. They are the symbol of wisdom in Asian cultures. A. Elephant. B. Tiger. C. Lion. Number 2. They live for 10 to 14 years in the wild, but they can live longer than 20 years if they are in the zoo or in a park. A. Zebra. B. Giraffe. C. Lion. Number 3. People and children like having a blanket at home. Young children have to be careful with the claws. A. Snake. B. Cat. C. Crocodile. Number 4. When a gnu crosses the river there, it may be caught by a blank. A. Crocodile. B. Shark. C. Fish. Number 5. One day a lot of blank followed my sailing boat and raced all around, having fun together. A. Fish. B. Shark. C. Dolphins. Number 6. I think that a blank is the most beautiful animal in the world. A. Donkey. B. Horse. C. Hyena. Number 7. When she entered the room in the house, she saw a big blank and she ran out, screaming with fear. A. Spider. B. Elephant. C. Hippo. Number 8. Be careful when you walk in a hair grass so as not to meet a blank. It may be dangerous. A. Snake. B. Frog. C. Lizard. Number 9. When you watch a blank, be sure its background is black and its stripes are white. A. Zebra. B. Donkey. C. Horse. Number 10. Even if breeding their babies on land, they spend most of their lives in the ocean. A. Shark. B. Seal. C. Frog. That's all. Good job!